Hey, this is Mal, and what I've got for you today is a CL I got from Diggs when I ended up winning some stuff from the January auction. I think belongs to Zipper's human owner, Ospie, or release the Kraken as we know him on Discord. Yeah, let's try and get this one open. I'm using a Mad Bob's torque tensioner, 1.2 mil. And a 25 thou long reach standard hook from Peterson's in 25 thou. Yeah, as I said. Anyway, here we rock and roll. So. I'm just running my way down from one to the back. I just got some core rotation from two. Trying to feel where the next one is. I think it's three, but just lost my false set. Here it goes again, hit two. 5. 3's nasty and sitting low. I know there's something going on there, but got some core rotation out of 1. That's a whole bunch of crunches coming from 5. Like a lot of crunches from 5. That's at 3 giving me a core rotation. But I'm worried I'm going to lose everything when I... I don't think I've got much else going on here. I think it has to be 3. It's the only one giving me feedback anyway. Oh, no, 5 again. Touched it a little bit more. Nah, 3's evil. No, that's not open. Eee. Tell you what, Aspie dude, and you do make a fun lock. So, it is open all the way. I'll get this stuff out of the way. Someone else I got from Diggs. This will be fun. When you aluminum tray that was signed because I asked them to because I thought it'd be funny. I like it, Diggs, dude. It's a good job, man. You're really digging into that CNC machine. It's rocket. It's kind of awesome. What I got? Okay, so 2 Phillips screws in the back. Let's see what's inside here. I think I just locked it again. Oh well, I have the key, which is another good thing. It's the back piece. Let's see what's in this thing. Covered in 5 tons of electrical tape. Not bad bidding. There you go. Bidding. Not too bad. And it doesn't turn to the right, so because I picked left-handed, I might have not hit everything in here. So I'm gonna have to watch. I just pulled everything. Oh no, I just did a sawdassa. Awesome. Okay, that's on camera too. Got a bunch of springs and a bunch of pins, which I don't know will go where. That looks like from the back 3. I'll have to double check that. Unfortunately, whoever's going to pick this next probably isn't going to get the same feel, which is really bloody unfortunate, because that was a fun pick. I might actually just pick it again and again until I get it right. But let's turn this. Got another spring there. It's my tweezers. Sorry, Aspie dude. That sucks. Let's see what's in. At least the key will still work whenever we're done. One standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5, 6 standard. Now I don't see why the core wouldn't turn to the left, so we'll have to see what's going on there. Let's go front to back on here. That is a nasty, nasty pin on one. I think that's all of them though. No, 3. Yeah, I've miscounted. 6 pins, not 5. Wait, I'm confused. Yeah, I see no reason why this wouldn't turn to turn to the left, full turn, full rotation. Just trying to get a close-up of these pins because they are kind of fun. Whoop! Let's drop them all too, because that'd be awesome. Right, cool. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.